The first move in the series is called Spinal Rolling, and I'm going to show you and demonstrate how to do this move and then give you some pointers and tips. Again, this is meant to be done for about 3 to 5 minutes to completion in a continuous fashion. So I'm going to show you from the side and then also from the front. You're going to stand with your feet about shoulder width apart or slightly greater. And we're going to work the flexion extension plane of the spine. So the move looks like this. I'm going to do it in its completion, and then I'll give you some tips. So it starts. And what's going on is you're starting with the head and neck control the motion. So we're going to begin by tucking our chin and allowing it to fold the body forward. So tucking the chin, bringing yourself forward all the way down, and then when you're ready to come back up, you're going to bring your arms back, head's going to lean, extend back, and then we're going to fold by bringing the head. And you're going to do this in a continuous, comfortable rhythm for about 3 to 5 minutes, okay? So that's spinal rolling.